So this is a Kawasaki FX691V. I'm going to be swapping it out with the 730. This motor doesn't want to turn over. It was being used on a lawn and it just turned off. It's got like 900 hours on it. Doesn't want to turn on. So let's swap her out. That's pretty. I'm glad I caught that. There's another one right here. It's a nice gash. So that's gonna have to be replaced. They ship it with oil. Under here you got 4 bolts that hold this motor on. There's 2 there. There's one right there. There's one right there. And then your flywheel goes on. This one's not as bad, but it's got one good one. Let's slide that down a little bit so I can get some more stripes in there. Lowered it down an inch, so now I got a nice fresh blade on there pretty much. Flipped it over so it's going to be pulling that way, not so much that way. Look at how pretty that wheel is. It's nice. You see that? It's nice. It's nice, huh? Little bit of a difference. Two switches, and it's got the PD and the USB. I ran one wire from my battery box to the actual power. One wire goes to the switch. Just, I don't know if you can see it. It's this one. It's the yellow one that was plugged in, which is now plugged into here with a two-way. The battery, when the mower's off, it's not on. If I turn the key, it turns on. Got my voltage, got my two accessories, and the light works too. Turn the key on, light works. A little bit of a difference.